The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 189 in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in the listening area: in Kansas, Chautauqua; in Oklahoma, Creek, Okfuskee, Osage, and Pawnee. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Tornadoes, hail up to grapefruit size, and wind gusts up to 75 miles an hour will be possible in and close to the watch area. Average storm movement is expected to be to the northeast at 40 miles an hour. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather, including tornadoes in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be alert for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. The forecast for the Tulsa area, including much of northeast Oklahoma,